Today I have something to show you and you have to tell me what it is. Make a guess. Look at this.
Seems like a map. African map.
That's right. It's showing the map of Africa.
And it also shows the animals, the diversity of...
That's right. But what is it made on?
Paper?
What is this? Yes, you have to tell me that. And if it is paper, then why do you have this hole
What
over
for?
here? What is this for?
It's paper certainly, as I can make out.
Certainly paper.
Huh. But then what is...
Any other guesses? Okay, it's not paper.
It's not paper?
No. See, this is... And if you're thinking that this hole is for giving it stability to be fixed on the stand, so then that's
No.
not the reason.
I think at the time of construction, I think this we do in craft also. It's a constructional defect. जब भी बनाते हैं,
हाँ.
so like when you make it, so actually it is...
Because there's a mold or something you're thinking.
So you need that space where you could remove whatever on which you got the shape from.
Alright, but look at this thick. Just put your finger in here and check the thickness. Do you think this is paper?
I doubt now. It has a glassy feeling.
It has the glossy.
Even glassy, you know, this is...
The sound that you're getting.
Yeah, it's glassy.
But just look at the shape.
Like an egg.
Like an egg.
Yeah.
So could this be an egg?
No, sir. Oh, maybe. Is it an ostrich egg?
That's right.
Oh, yes. Wow.
This is an ostrich egg.
All right. Okay. I get it
This
now.
is an ostrich egg on which they have painted all this
Wow,
glossy.
how
and
beautiful
all
is
this.
that?
Yes.
How
Isn't it?
beautiful. So intricately they have drawn
I
things.
think no, I don't think this is a drawing. They have maybe they have
pasted.
printed or pasted and then on top of
But
that
still
they
very good
laminated
idea.
or something.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is an ostrich egg. Doesn't really look like.
Yes, absolutely.
The biggest cell we have.
Absolutely, that's
biggest
right. This
single
is the
cell.
single cell. This
Yeah.
is the single cell. And this is how it has been designed like this. There could be other designs like this
Oh,
one.
wow. So beautiful. This gives more feeling of an
Feeling
egg.
of the
It's
egg
because of the gloss,
yes,
I
because,
could
yes,
got a little
huh.
confused.
So
yeah,
you see,
these pores.
this is the little pits,
correct.
kind of thing. This is the surface of the egg.
But it's very
And
beautiful.
on that also, this I think is a painting. This
It is
not
done by
something
hand.
that has
Yeah, it
been
is done.
stuck on it.
Yeah.
So this is another one. And I have yet another one. They all see that these are all the various designs that can be made on the egg.
Beautiful. This is a lamp, no?
Look at this. Yes,
Wow.
this is a lamp.
Wow.
And there are these little holes that are drilled.
They drill it.
in it.
I've seen this. They
So
do it
then
in
you
chicken
can-
eggs also, but that obviously
That
is very
too
tiny.
Tiny.
Very tiny.
And the
Ostrich egg.
chicken egg will be too
Delicate.
fragile.
It is.
Yeah, it will
It
be
is.
too fragile. Whereas this is tough.
It is.
It is very tough. And it is said that even if a human being stands on it, it will not break.
Oh, is it?
But I will not allow you to stand on it.
Okay, I will.
So
Not.
Yes. But it is quite tough.
Okay.
And yes, this is the biggest cell. Yeah, if it's a unit cell.
Single cell.
Single cell. But if it's a single cell, then how is it that a chick grows in it? A chick is not a single cell anymore.
But that divides later.
It divides.
It divides.
It
and
divides,
yeah, that's how it grows into a multicellular
Yes,
organism.
So if it's a fertilized egg, then it will divide.
Yeah. Okay.
If it is not a fertilized egg, then it
It
will.
will stay like this, and
It
you can
will
eat
remain
it.
that you.
Like, that's
yes,
what you eat, right?
Yes, yes. No, you can eat a fertilized egg also.
Yeah.
But the chicken eggs that are available in the market, those are not fertilized. They don't use a male cock for fertilizing, and so it's a kind of a vegetarian product.
All right.
Vegetarian in the sense that is also an animal product,
Yeah.
but like milk, Milk is also an animal product. So the egg is also an animal
It
product.
is.
But it doesn't have life in it.
Okay.
So that brings me to the question, the age-old riddle. What comes first, the chicken or the egg? Which one comes first?
It has to be the chicken first.
Why?
How else are you going to get the egg?
See, now but without the egg, how can you make a whole chicken? The chicken has to be through a cell. It has to be start from one cell and then that cell multiplies. Isn't it?
Correct.
1 to 2, it becomes double.
And yeah.
You know that every time.
Correct.
That's
that
the
doubles
geometric
itself.
progression and all that. So unless you have the egg, a chicken can't develop out of it. And the interesting thing is that your question is that how can you have the egg if you don't have the chicken? Right? So you can have, what is being done during cloning? In cloning, what do? You don't need an egg as such.
Yes.
You just need any cell, any living cell.
And you change certain genes in there.
Yes, you can.
The genetic
you are
engineering.
You can do that. That's not yet that, our science is not yet that developed that you can convert the cell of any one animal into another.
Yeah.
But that day is not far off. With you can, when you're tweaking the genes and the entire field, the science of genetic engineering, I suppose it will someday be possible that you just pick up a bacteria from a pond, amoeba. You just pick up an amoeba from a pond and then just manipulate and, make some changes in its genetic structure. And then you let it
grow into anything?
Yes, multiply. Should be. Theoretically, I think that is where we are heading. And that is how...
human from amoeba? Possible?
Yes.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Sounds funny.
But could be.
Yeah.
Could be.
There are many movies based on such concepts. There are many. But yeah, I think the basic idea is that they take a cell and the genetic material is manipulated. I don't know the exact thing we do.
Yes.
But yeah, then they clone them.
Efforts are going on about reviving extinct animals also.
Yes, I read that.
So if you can get hold of a cell from one of these dead preserves pieces that you get, it is possible.
The whole movie of this Godzilla is based on that.
So
recently which came.
That's science fiction.
Because that they had those cells and they created this whole big organism out of it.
Can be done. Who knows?
Yeah.